Product type: GPS or navigation system. Package dimensions: 2. 756 lx1, 142 wx5, 512 h. Country of origin: Taiwan. Package weight: 0. 19 lbs. Plug into your vehicle's OBD-II port for constant power to your compatible Garmin Dash Cam, even when the vehicle is parked and turned off. Compatible with most passenger vehicles, not compatible with commercial vehicles with a J1939 connector. Top reviews from the United States. Does exactly what it is supposed to. Took 10 minutes to install a wired dashcam in my wife's Subaru. Style: CableVerified purchase. I wanted to install a Garmin dashcam in my wife's 2013 Subaru Forester, but didn't want to be messing around with fuses and wires under the dash. I had successfully used Thinkware's OBD-II adapter in my truck and looked to see if Garmin had a similar product for their dash cams. This is it. I stuck the camera to the glass, used a car trim removal kit to gently tuck the wire across the headliner and down the A-pillar and into the general under-dash area. The hardest part was complete. I plugged the USB wire into this Garmin OBD-II adapter, looped up all of the wire and tied the bundle off to something handy under the dash. I then plugged the adapter into the car's OBD-II port and it just worked. That's it. It continues to work perfectly, starting up the camera when she starts the car, and letting it power off after 10 minutes. There is a slide switch to choose power off delay. I left that on 10 minutes.